My name's Neil Balthaser and I'm your host at Ultra Mobility, the channel all about Class B camper vans. If you're interested in Class B camper vans or are looking to buy, this is the channel for you. If you haven't done so already, I ask you to please consider subscribing. It's super easy. Just click the subscribe button and it'll help me continue to make great videos. Well, welcome inside this beautiful 2018 leisure travel van Wonder. Now, this is a wonder to be inside of this van. This is a Class B+, meaning it's actually a Class C, but they market it as a B+, because if you notice, over the cab, there is no bunk. Traditional Cs have the berth above the cab, and this doesn't. So it gives it a little bit more sleek look, maybe more in line with what a Class B might look like. This camper van is built on the Ford Transit platform. So for many of you, that's going to be a huge plus. It's not built on the Mercedes platform. So very cool. You're sitting inside the lounge, and this is the Wonder area of the Wonder. So this is the lounge configuration. And what's nice about this configuration is you have these two very comfortable Ultraleather seats here that do double duty, so you can sit here, you can watch television in front of you, and this television is mounted on this swing down, so when you want to get it out of the way, look at that. It just completely gets out of the way, and now you just have a nice open area. But if you want to sit back and watch some TV, I love this no complicated, no fuss, no electronic things that are going to go wrong for you. You just lift it up and you got your entertainment center. So sitting here, very comfortable, smart layout, got your television in front of you, and then when you want to have dinner, look, you just swing around. Either person can just swing around, and you've already got your table set up. You got everything that you need right here. This is a really super smart design, and I like it. Now, when you're ready in the evening to go to bed, all you have to do is you just take this tabletop and you flip it down, and then you just bring this whole top down like a Murphy bed, and you've got looks to me like a queen size, I'll put the bed dimensions up, bed that comes down in here. Super simple, and it's no fuss, so you don't have to worry about all of these cushions and pillows and things like that that you need to move around. It's just really super simple to set it up and put it back down. In addition, because if you notice there's a little bit of a gap here, I believe you can leave your bed made up and your pillows, and so when the bed flips back up like that, there's a place for all those things, and you don't have to worry about stowing those. So this is a really smart design, and I got to tell you, this is one of the things that I really like about leisure travel vans, is they're very innovative. Some of the most innovative designs in the industry are coming out of this company, Leisure Travel Vans. They're always thinking about new and different layouts and listening to their customers and things that work. It's really pretty nice. There's a nice wardrobe closet in here with hooks, so you can just hook your jackets. These little things matter inside of these vans. Where do you put stuff like your purse and your jacket and things like that? And here they thought of it in the Wonder. Now, if you notice above me, there is this shelf, but what I like is it's sloped down, and I got some headroom, and there's this really nice under cabinet lighting up above us. Super nice. A very large skylight here, so you can just open this up, push it up, get a bunch of fresh air in. Of course, it's got your screens here that you can, and privacy shades as well. The flooring is nice. It's laminate, but it has a very modern look, and I think it complements this lighter wood color very nicely. I like this light wood color in these vans because it warms it up, but at the same time, it's not so dark that it makes it feel small. It feels very bright and spacious in here, you know, with all the windows and with this wood and the color. It's all work together. I think it's very nicely done. Now, as we move back into the Galley, I really like this Galley. I think it's just open and refreshing and bright and modern. First thing I want to point you to is look down below and look at all of that aisle space. No one in this van is going to be doing the alley shuffle. You could get 3 people in the width of the alley. Why? Because it's very smartly designed. Look how where you're standing, it's cut back here. So if someone's working here at the counter, they're standing here and you still have all of this aisle width here. I love smart thinking like that. Beautiful lighting down around the floorboards. I think that's smart because maybe all the lights are off, you're watching a movie, you need to get back to the bathroom. Having that under cabinet lighting, just very classy and just lights your way a little bit. Let's do a check and see, do we have positive latches? And we do have positive latches. It's a different kind, but you can see here, this is a metal, which is what you want. You don't want plastic. That's a no-no. This is metal, and this right here is metal, and look at that. Super, super simple design. Clean on the surface here, and you just reach up under, and it's a light touch. You just see this? You just apply pressure, and it just releases it. Love that leisure travel van. It's very nicely done. Little storage places here. Maybe you want to put your spices and things like that. These little storage spaces are really nice. Nice hardware finishes here. I like the nice big drawers, full extension, place to put your cutlery and silverware, always nice. Did you hear that? That means the drawers are positive latching as well, so they're 2 for 2. We like that. Nice, solid wood drawers. Take a look at this. This is just a humongous pantry. Can you see inside of it? That is just enormous. You have a convection microwave oven, so you can brown and grill and use this as your oven. I like the way it's stainless steel as well. It matches everything. Here you have a nice separate freezer, and I want to point out to you, good. Look at these latches here. You know, Pleasureway and Leisure Travel Vans really do it right. This is a 3-way Dometic, but it's an automatic switching, which is what you want. You want an automatic switching so you don't have to remember to do it. These are energy savers. You know, they just really take the load off your battery. Positive latching doors, so they are so far, I believe, 3 for 3 so far. So that's fantastic. And the television's not on an armature, so that's 4 for 4. The only last thing we have to check is if there's any flip-up counter extensions and things like that, and I'll check that. But this is one of the only other vans so far other than Pleasureway, which is marked tick, tick, tick. All of these things about positive latching off. So I'm very happy. Oh, let me check the microwave. Yes, indeed. Here are the hooks right here. So very, very nicely done leisure travel vans. Intelligently placed, fantastic vent fan right in the kitchen and midway between the kitchen and the lounge. So you get good air circulation coming right up through the mid part of the van. Got to give them another plus, a place for a trash can. Oftentimes, RV manufacturers don't think about this, so it's really nice to see that Leisure Travel has. I just like the look. I like the look of this white solid surface countertop. It's very modern. It has a very nice feel to it, smooth, very deep sink. Very impressed with that. That's a good 7 inches deep sink there and well over 12 inches, maybe 14 inches there in terms of diameter. And a nice residential faucet. These little hooks are nice as well. These are nice. They come right out and you can place them where you want. And look at that, you twist them. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Now, as we step back into the bathroom, this is a dry bath. So you're not sharing the shower with the toilet. The toilet sits out on its own. You have a pocket door, again, proper latching. So they get 5 for 5. Leisure Travel Vans gets 5 for 5 because they thought about this. You have to release this door so it doesn't go flying about when you're driving down the road. That's a sign that a coach manufacturer has really thought through this. That's great. Love the curved radius here. Just gives it a very modern feel. Stainless steel sink, nice. Here are those hooks again. I like where they place them because you can put these accessories here, like you see here for your water glasses at night. That's nice. And you have your medicine cabinet here. Again, same type of handles, positive latching. Just gently pull them. And look, you got some nice storage inside here. It's a nice large bathroom. Storage underneath the sink. I mean, this is nice. Big shower area, as you can see there, with a nice skylight. So if you're 6 foot, you're going to fit okay in there. Plenty of light. I'm always looking at the light inside of these camper vans because a lot of times there's not enough light and there's not much you can do about it if you get a van that's not lit well. You got to kind of live with it. But this one has some good lighting in it, and a second fantastic vent fan for the bathroom. Well, I really am impressed with this leisure travel wonder built on the Ford Transit chassis. The interior design of it is just very, very nice, but just the intelligence of the design. Not only does it function very well, but it looks good. It doesn't look cold and practical. It looks warm and inviting, and that's a hard balance to do. There's no slide out in this model, in the Wonder, so that's something to consider, but I don't think you really need it, do you? It feels plenty big in here without the slide out. I also like the fact that there's a proper door. You see there, that door actually swings open like you would get on a residential home. It makes it a little bit easier getting in and out. You don't have to slide a huge, heavy sliding door to get in and out. And down below that footwell there, you can't really see it too well, but it's fairly deep. It goes back a little bit here. So it goes back to here. So that's plenty deep for you to put your shoes and store your shoes there. That's something else that a lot of folks don't think about when they get these RVs. Is you come in from the outside and maybe you have some wet or muddy shoes. Where do they go? Do you want them in the aisleway, or where do you put them? Well, they thought about it in the Wonder. So this is a very, very nice. I'm glad I came into it. It's a very nice camper van, and I think the fit and finish is good, and it looks just very modern and refreshing. Well done, Leisure Travel Vans. Now, the list price for this Leisure Travel Van Wonder is $111,534, but I see a sticker on the front window that shows it marked down to $105,862. So what a great value. That means you're going to get this, a Leisure Travel Vans, folks, of this quality. You're going to be able to probably pick it up for under $100,000. That's really incredible. And what a value. What a value. So if you're in the area here in Northern California, or you're close to a La Mesa dealer nationwide, I recommend you give them a call. Tell them this is the one that's at Sacramento, and get yourself into a high quality, wonderful Class B Plus from Leisure Travel Vans. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you became a subscriber. It helps me continue to make great videos. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and I try to answer each and every one of them. We'll see you again next time on Ultra Mobility, your channel for Class B camper vans. Take care. Bye-bye.